What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Jake coming at you with another video where we're talking about computer science. Today, I wanted to just talk about something in the career when we're looking at our longevity as computer scientists, and that is aha moments and just savoring what they are and how they are. I was just recently was at a coworker's retirement party, and you know, the person that was retiring was giving a speech about his career and how, long it was and the ups and downs of being in a career. But he always kept coming back to what made it fun and what made it enjoyable, and all the special memories that were a part of that career were the aha moments that come with being a software engineer, a principal engineer, an architect, and all that jazz. And I just wanted to briefly talk about that because it touched me. It's something that I find interesting all the time. It's the puzzles. Each day is a new puzzle, and each programming problem is essentially a puzzle that you have to solve. There's always challenge. There's always, kind of there's a buildup of just intense focus, and you kind of have to persist through a bunch of different barriers, and then you break through at some point in the problem, and there's just this clarity of wow, that's how it actually works. And that's like when the light bulb clicks, and it's that aha moment of wow, you could be doing some binary exploitation, you could be doing some web engineering, you could be doing database design. There's so many, I guess, areas in the field that just at some point one or another you're going to have a problem. There's going to be a problem that occurs, and it's going to take more than just oh, well, let me do this, da da da. You might have a day, a week, or even just a month of time spent on an issue, and breaking past those barriers is all part of the game. It's all part of the game when it comes to the longevity of your career, and really just take the time to celebrate those moments. It's one of those things where this coworker that's retired, 40 plus years in the field as a computer scientist, that's crazy to me. I'm like, wow, that's a long time. And this was someone that didn't really go into the management routes, didn't go into necessarily just an upper executive tier route. This was always someone that was in the weeds programming, very technical. And a reason why is because they just love that challenge. They love chasing the moments. I think that's something special. So I guess whether you're debugging an application, doing some crazy API integrations, maybe just making your own unit testing suite, every time you get stuck, and every time that you're really just nail or I guess headbanging against the wall, trying to figure out a problem, when you finally solve that problem, just take some time to celebrate. It really is all those special moments that add up to what is your career in the field. So enjoy them. If you have any ones that are special, leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this little short rant. Peace.